Hello, everybody. I'm going to do an extra system test tonight because I changed up the notification appliances except for one, and I also changed the pole station. And also, I'm going to go ahead and take the camera off the tripod, and then we're going to review the system. Let me release it off the tripod. So, anyways, a couple of things have changed. That's changed, this has changed, except the smoke detector and the Wheelock strobe. Okay? So, this is system test 37, and the time and date is still wrong, and I wanna... Maybe I should probably get that fixed here soon, but, today is Saturday, December 17th, 2022, and for Zone 1, we have my Edwards EST 270 SPO. That's on Zone 1, and the reason why it's an Edwards EST 270 SPO instead of an Edwards EST 270A SPO, because this is the one with the terminals, and this one was a lot less of a hassle to put in because my other one has pigtail connectors, and my wire nuts don't want to twist on, and I tried multiple times being careful tucking the wires back in the junction box, but the hole in the plate is pretty narrow, and the screws that mount the pole station only go from top to bottom on this plate. That's right in front of the junction box, but with the plate mounted, the screws go in the corners, in the two corners from top left to bottom right. That's how I have the whole thing set up for right now, but that's the story here with this pole station, because what wire nuts are usually for is they're designed to connect one wire together or two wires. They don't like three wires for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about, but I decided to use this pole station because it was a lot easier to wire up because it has screw terminals. And on Zone 2, we have the same smoke detector. I didn't bother to change that yet, but hopefully for the next test I'll change the smoke detector. But changing everything on the system is not that fun. So we have the same weatherproof Wheelock remote strobe. And here's the device that from Gentex that I haven't used in a while. This is my Gentex GOS 241575 CW, I believe. Yep, that's correct. Because the way this alarm is, it mounts on the ceiling because you could see the fire lettering is printed in a different way than a wall mount version, but these things are starting to become super rare. So, anyways, guys, and this pole station is really hard to reset with one hand, so I will have to put the camera on the tripod once I reset the pole station because it takes two hands. Alright, are you guys ready for system test number 37 to be started? Let's get it over with. 3, 2, 1. Yep, the Gentex GOS is set on the 800 Hz continuous tone. And that is basically my favorite tone that the Gentex GOS is set on, because all three jumpers are inserted. This alarm takes jumpers, not dip switches. I don't know why. I wish they would redesign it with dip switches. Would be a lot easier than having those tone jumpers. Excuse me. Okay, the system's silenced. That's still going. Let me set the camera on the tripod for a minute. because resetting the pull station takes 2 hands. I can get it on the tripod. There we go. Nope. It was about to fall. There we go. Now, I'm going to zoom in, see if you can see me resetting the pull station. Zoom in not too far. Get my flathead screwdriver. And what's nice about the tripod is I can have it hold the camera for me while I do this. There we go. And all you have to do is open it, flip the switch down, and shut it. Put my reset tool back. Since the pull station is reset, let me zoom out. I forgot to zoom out. Since the pull station is reset, we can now put a reset in the system. And next we're gonna activate zone 2, and yes, we're gonna be using my can of smoke. So let's give it a shake. This can is almost empty, so that's why I have a full can right there. My gray can of smoke ran out, but I have these cans left. I'll probably have to get more cans of smoke someday, but right now I'm going to conserve them for right now. So anyways, let's give it a quick squirt. Hopefully that's enough. Now we wait. There we go. Okay. Zone 2 is activated. So that definitely gets the point across. But first I'm gonna see if I can take this off so I can... There we go. Let me blow the smoke out of this thing. And hopefully that'll do it. Let me screw it all the way back on. It's not that fun to do with one hand. There we go. Alright. Now, we can put a reset in the system. And a custom of using the annunciator and the panel, since the panel is not on the floor, I can easily open the door and get to the control panel, get to the controller, and push the reset button, or I can go to the annunciator and push the reset button from there. So either of those are optional if you have the system on the wall or on a demo board. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed system test number 37. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and that is all. Thank you.